Stop what you're doing right now, because one of the most important military aircraft upgrades in the world is happening quietly, and most people have no idea what it could mean. Billions of dollars, national security, emergency rescue missions, and future wars could depend on this machine. If the wrong decisions are made, countries lose time, money, and lives. And the shocking part? Many people still think it's just an old helicopter. It is not. If you care about defense, technology, or where massive public money is going next, subscribe right now. This channel is made for people like you who want the truth early, before everyone else catches on. Stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to show you explains why this aircraft matters far more than headlines reveal. Miss this story, and you miss one of the biggest military transformations happening right now. If you know someone who follows aviation or world events, send them this video quietly. They need to see it. Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the updates most people ignore, the systems changing the future, and the hidden moves shaping tomorrow. We break it down simply, clearly, and fast. If you like staying informed and one step ahead, subscribe now. Let's get straight into it, because time is moving fast, and so is the future of heavy lift aviation. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is already legendary. It has served for decades. It is recognized around the world by its twin rotors and deep, powerful sound. It can carry troops, artillery, vehicles, supplies, fuel, medical teams, and evacuees. In war zones, disaster zones, and emergency operations, it has done jobs many other aircraft simply cannot do. But here's where it gets serious. The world has changed. Armies now move heavier gear. Missions are longer, threats are smarter, weather is harsher, supply chains are tighter, and older aircraft, no matter how respected, eventually face limits. That is exactly why the CH-47F Block II Chinook exists. This is not a small refresh. This is not just paint, seats, and software. This is a deep evolution designed to keep the Chinook relevant in a dangerous future. The Block II version brings stronger structural parts, improved fuel systems, upgraded electrical architecture, advanced drivetrain components, and changes designed to increase lift and efficiency. In simple language, it can carry more, work harder, and stay useful longer. Now, you might be thinking, why should an ordinary person care? Because these decisions involve huge public spending. Defense programs cost billions.